Hand it to Daddy.
Figure this out.
Hand the egg to Daddy. Hand it to Daddy.
Good job, Nate.
Yay.
Are there more eggs anywhere, Nate? Do you see any more?
More eggs, Nate.
Need more eggs?
See an egg? More eggs, Nate. There's more. Look. Look.
You see an egg?
See an egg? Is there an egg?
What is that?
Oh, what is that?
Can you give that to Papa?
Dude, what is it?
Yeah!
Good boy.
You gonna put it in there?
I think he wants to put it in there. He likes to put things in.
There's more eggs, Nate.
Tails.
There's more eggs. More. Keep looking, Nate.
Where's another one?
Hey, Nate, look up here.
Oh,
I think he
did
saw
you
that.
spot that one?
Oh, yeah? There's another egg.
Yay!
Put it in here, Nate. Put it in here.
Did you throw it?
Yeah. You're doing good. Good. I can't believe this.
Do you see?
More eggs?
Nate, look on your basketball hoop.
Look at Nate. 3 points.
Look at 3 points. Look. Look.
Nate. Nate. Oh!
Yeah!
Oh, yeah! Put it in here, Nate. Put it in here. Put the egg in here. Put this egg in here. Put it in here.
Good job, Nate. Well, what do you expect, Pop?
That's my boy. What's up here?
What do you see?
Oh! Whoa!
Yay!
Put it in here. Yay! Hey, Nate, what's over there? Go get it, Nate! I'm going to spread these out for you. Can you reach it?
Yeah. Oh, come on.
Oh, so close.
You can get it, bud.
Get it. Okay. Okay. Put it in here, Nate. Oh.
Oh, yucky.
Nate, put it in here. All right. Whoa.
Nate, come over to your favorite chair.
Let's go look at your chair, Nate.
Nate.
Go over here.
No, not watching golf. Can you dance? Can you dance?
Woo. You can dance.
Come here, Booty. Come on, Nate.
He's watching television.
Nate, there's more eggs. On your bulldozer, I see an egg. Where's your bulldozer? Where's your bulldozer? From Uncle Sean.
Go look at Numo. Numo? What's his name?
Elmo.
Elmo. Look at Elmo.
Can you turn this off, please?
Oh, Easter bonnet. You did find Easter music. How fun.
Nate, come on.
Elmo.
See Elmo?
Look at Elmo.
What's he doing? What's he have on his feet?
Look at Elmo's feet, Nate. Look at Elmo's feet. Go get it. Another
Come on.
egg.
Come here, Booty. Can you come get Mama? You didn't want to walk? Hey, look at what's on Elmo.
Huh? What's there, Nate? Oh, another one. Put it in here, Nate.
Good job.
Put it in your can.
Put it in your bucket.
Bucket. Yay!
Yay!
Look at them all, Nate. There's more. We got more.
Nate, look in your bulldozer.
Your bulldozer. Nate, look at your bulldozer.
Look at your tractor.
Tractor, Nate. Not that.
No, this one. Look over here. Oh, good job, though.
This one. Whoa, what's this? What's that one?
Who's driving your tractor?
Whoa, there's another egg.
Yeah.
Put it in here, Nate.
There's none in the fireplace. Can you put your egg in the
Put your egg in
basket?
here, Nate. Here you go, Nate.
Where's your bucket? Oh, good job. Good job.
Put it in here, Nate. Put your egg in here. Can you put your... kind of dorking out. Alright. There's still another
Nate,
one.
there's another one.
There's 2 more that are not.
Oh, he cracked it.
He's cracked.
Nate, what's in here?
What's under there?
Can you move that?
What's under here?
Move
What's under
the...
here?
Yeah.
What's underneath there, Nate?
It's from Alex. Nate.
Oh, God. Yeah, it's like these things. Hey, Nate, what's under here? What's under there? What's underneath there?
Can you pick it up?
Pick it up, Nate. Move it.
But you gotta move your other hand.
Move it. What's that? Another egg! I don't think he even saw it.
Put it in.
Put it in here.
Yay!
Yeah.
Nice work. Are we all done?
Chair.
Oh yeah. Nate, go up on your chair.
Mandolin.
Oh.
Hey, Nate, look. Look over here. What's in your chair here?
I can see it.
What do you see?
Look over there. Look at Grandma.
You're gonna take that with you. Go get Grandma. Go get Grandma.
I see something over here. What is that? There it is. Oh,
Oh, put it in here, Nate.
Yeah. Where's Dada's mandolin?
Mandolin. Go to the mandolin.
Where's Dada's mandolin? Go get it.
Is it over here?
Go get the mandolin.
Dada, where is it?
Come see it.
Go see the mandolin.
Where's Dada's? Dada's.
Oh, look. What's over here?
Oh, be gentle.
What's over here, Nate?
Whoa! Go get it! Go get it, Nate!
There it is.
Can you get that pink egg?
See the egg? Put it in here. Get the egg and put it in here. That's it.
Whoa!
Now he's learned something fun. That's fun. Yeah.
Okay, put it in here, Nate.
Yay! All done! Happy Easter!
Good
Good
job.
Can you clap, Nate?
Yay.
Can you clap for yourself?
Clap.
Yay, Nate! Yay! Okay, say bye-bye.
Hide the camera.
Can you wave bye-bye? Nope, gonna just